Monday and Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, back with us, and we are going to talk technology. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you doing on this Martin Luther King Day?
Doing pretty well. So I'm looking at a story that we want to talk about here, and it's about fake at-home COVID testing kits are everywhere. How do we avoid them? How do we avoid being victimized?
As you know, this past weekend was when the new rules went into effect where insurance companies have to provide these tests. But even if you ordered them today, it would still be like a week to 2 weeks before you got them. So in the meantime, a lot of people are looking for tests for just their own peace of mind, as well as in some cases, they have to do it to be able to go places. You know, if you want to go to certain venues, they require you not only to be vaccinated, but also have a negative test. So they're desperate for them. And the bad guys are out there. Scammers are out there, especially online and social media, advertising their availability, saying, hey, you know, I have these. I bought them in bulk several weeks ago before any of this happened, and now I have them available. But in some cases, in many cases, they're fake. They're not real tests, and they're just made to look like real tests.
Really?
So, yeah, and it's, you know, it's disheartening that would happen given the importance of these tests and the fact that these people are desperate for them. But hey, the bad guys, all they see is suckers, and we're them. So they want to take our money and give us something less for it.
Yeah, well, a friend of mine got victimized by one of those fake tests because
that's too bad.
He took the test and it was like bad news, good news, right? The good news was that it said that he didn't have COVID. The bad news said, sir, you're pregnant.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, man. So I guess the bottom line is buyer beware. Make sure that before you get one of these tests, wherever you're getting it from, especially if it's from social media or somebody on eBay or some third-party seller, that you confirm that it has, you know, the FDA seal on there and that vendor is on the FDA's list. And make sure that you check into the reseller and that it looks legit and there aren't any complaints. And finally, if you can wait till you can get a real test from your insurance company and from your doctor.
Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, it's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG, that's the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-ITEAM. That's 866-784-8326.